Welcome to this course, everybody. The purpose of this video is to explain the best ways to get help when you learn the materials throughout the semester of this course. I'm your professor, and keep in mind that you also have a teaching assistant for this course. The names and contact information for me as well as the teaching assistant can be found on the syllabus of this course. Both me and the TA are committed to providing the necessary help that you will need throughout the course. Now know that there isn't fixed office hours set for the course, because throughout the years that I teach this course, I come to realize that the best way to learn this course would be mostly self-paced learning of the materials posted on the learning website, and everybody's background is slightly different. Therefore, it isn't necessarily true that everybody has the same kind of questions at the same time of the course. Therefore, as you learn the materials of the course, I suggest that you first try to think about it one more time, and one more time, try to resolve the question or the problem independently by revisiting the materials or rewatching the videos if necessary. Afterwards, if the problem or issue persists, then I highly suggest that you reach out to me as well as a TA. Now here's what to keep in mind about the best way to contact the TA as well as me, the professor. You will use Microsoft Teams as the main communication channel to get your questions resolved. The principle is that you use MS Teams to send a group message, a group chat to both the professor and the TA. Inside MS Teams, you can create a group conversation, group chat, and include both me and the TA when you send your questions. Always include the TA. The reason being that both the professor and the TA can see the question, and either of us can get to your question at the soonest. If you leave the TA out, a lot of times I'll have to include the TA again, wait for the TA to respond, because a lot of times I'm not available to type detailed answers. To help demonstrate what I mean, I have created a short demonstrating video, as you will see in the next second, that shows how you would use the group chat function of the MS Teams to get in contact with both the TA and me. So here is the interface of the MS Teams. It will probably open the Activity tab when you first launch the app. To get to chat, you will click the Chat tab, and then all the chat histories will show up here. Here is how to create a group chat conversation. First, you will search somebody, either me or the TA. If you have recently chatted with the TA or me, you can find them. You can find that here. And this is the TA, so my recent conversation history with the TA is shown up here. If you have just started to chat with either of us, you will go to the search bar and type in either the TA or me. So here's the TA. I'll click that. It remains because this is my conversation history with the TA. Now, you need to add me into the conversation to make it a group chat. The way to do that is to go to up here, click Add People. Now an additional search bar will show up here and you will search for me. Type in my name as shown up here. Unfortunately for myself, I cannot search myself, obviously, but you will be able to do that. So as soon as you type my first name or my last name, first name, or my full name, you should be able to see me here. And by clicking that, you will be adding me to the group chat. To demonstrate the process here, I will use one of my past students to substitute my name. So here is that student. Now for you guys, you don't type the student name. I'm using the student name just because I cannot type myself. You are going to use my name and select me, add me into the group chat instead of this demonstration student. Okay, I'm going to click that and click add. As soon as that happens, a new group chat conversation will be created, indicating that there are 3 people in this conversation: the TA, the professor, and yourself. And as we exchange messages, all the histories will be saved here unless you delete them. So this concludes the demonstration. Alright, I hope this short video is helpful, and welcome to the class.